Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to discuss about integration by parts. But before continuing to the topic, kindly click on the like and subscribe button, and if you have any question you can ask in the comments. This is the formula for integration by parts, which is u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Now remember, here this is not u du, this is u dv. From where came this integration by part formula? This formula can be derived from the product rule of differentiation. For example, we have a function uv, u and v, we have these functions, and if we take the derivative of this function, then according to the product rule, this will become u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Now if we take the integral of these functions with respect to x, then we will have integral d by dx uv, this term dx is equal to u dv by dx, and here will be dx and integral, and similarly this term inside this integral. Now this dx will cancel out with this dx. Similarly, this dx will cancel out with this dx, and this one will also cancel out with this one. So we will have integral duv is equal to integral of u dv plus integral of v du. Further simplifying or taking the integral of this duv, we will have uv is equal to integral of u dv plus v du, and this is the integration by parts formula. And this formula can be derived from the product rule of differentiation. Now let's solve this example. For example, we have a function integral of x e power x dx. Now we have to choose which one is u and which one is v in this function. Usually the one which can become easily a constant is considered as the first one, or we can consider that as u, and v is equal to e power x. Now if we take the differential of this term, this will become du is equal to dx, and if we take the differential of this v, this will become dv is equal to e power x dx. Now we have the values for u, this is the value of u, and the value for v is equal to e power x dx. Now expanding this function according to the formula, we will have uv, so u is x and v is e power x, so we have u e power x minus, this is the minus sign here, and then we will have integral v du. So the value of v is e power x, and this is du, so du here we have taken is differential is equal to dx. So we have integral of e power x dx, and integral of e power x is equal to e power x. So finally we have x e power x is uv term, and integral of this v e power x is e power x, and this is the integration constant. That's it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos.